How can you stop saying and ah? What is an easy fix? Let's find out. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. What is the real reason you say and ah? Right? I know you think it's nervousness, but it's really not. What is the real reason? Well, it's fear of silence. Okay, so check out this quick example to see a comparison before and after. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to overcome filler words. Today, I'm gonna share with you how to overcome filler words. So which one sounds better? Well, it's obvious, right? So what's the big problem really that we have to overcome? The problem is really that mentally you think that you have to fill this gap with something, with some sort of noise, which then becomes and ah. And you think if there's just a pause, if there's just a silence, you don't sound smart enough. And that's the big problem. So the easy fix, and that works immediately, and you've seen me do it before, but you simply got to replace the filler sound or the filler word sometimes with a silent pause. And so what's the practical step-by-step solution? How can we use this information? What can you really do to overcome it faster and easier? Step number one, you got to record yourself. Okay, so give a speech, give a presentation, get your phone ready somewhere. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, you don't even have to video record it. All you need is the audio. I prefer the video though. Number two, listen to it afterwards. It's that simple. Number three, count your ums and count your ahs. Yeah, sit there, really listen very well, have a checklist ready and just write down, okay, how many ums do I have? How many ahs do I have? And just check without judgment. And then you simply keep repeating that process. You do it over and over and over again. You want to keep track that your ums and your ahs per minute, that they go down. Yeah? And you do it so many times until they're pretty much all gone. Nobody is perfect, but at least that you get rid of most of them. So comment down below and tell me what was your biggest takeaway. Yeah, what you're gonna do from now on. Share it with me down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.